G'day guys, it's Mohammed again from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video I have the Cacagoo outdoor security camera, a device that allows you to see your camera in 1080p and lets you record events via cloud storage or by adding a micro SD memory card. Now as always guys, if you like today's video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So if you're like me and want a security camera for your property, but don't really want to spend hundreds on a security system, then this video is definitely the one for you. The Cacagoo outdoor security camera is a device that records in 1080p HD using its 2 megapixel camera, and then allows you to later view current and past footage it captures using the IoT App, which can be downloaded from the Apple App or Google Play Store. The device can be powered by either using the power adapter supplied or by power over Ethernet. This is great as you have options available by either powering directly through the mains or connecting your device straight to the router. Now in terms of storing and capturing data, you can either use the cloud storage available, which will add additional costs to your device, or you can simply add a micro SD memory card to store the footage captured. However, please note the device will only support up to 128 gig. So let's talk about the look and feel of the device. You get the Cacagoo camera as well as a Wi-Fi antenna, meaning that you can connect your device to your Wi-Fi network, as well as a mount bracket that lets you adjust the position of the camera. In regards to dimensions, the device weighs roughly around 520 grams and has a length of 19 centimeters. Inside the box, you get the 1080p camera, one power adapter, one Wi-Fi antenna, screws you need to install, and instructions on how to set up your device. Now the IoT app lets you see all your connected cameras, and it also has an alert tab which lets you see all motion detected footage picked up by the camera. The cloud button from the home tab lets you see all your past footage which is collected on a daily basis. In addition, the device also supports Alexa and Google Home integration, so you can see your camera from your Echo Show devices. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Cacagoo camera from Amazon for around £30. However, if you opt for the cloud storage option, you will need to pay a yearly fee of £70 to store your footage. I've also added the Amazon link to the Cacagoo security camera in the description below. But that's it from me guys. Is this something you would purchase for your home? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.